Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a comparison of two popular marketing tools, GOhighLevel and ClickFunnels. If you're looking to choose the right platform for your business, stay tuned as we break down their key differences and help you decide which is the best fit for you. First up, we have GOhighLevel. It's an all-in-one platform built for agencies and marketers. It's designed to manage leads, automate marketing campaigns, set up funnels, and even create white-label solutions. One of the biggest benefits of GoHighLevel is its comprehensive nature. You get everything from email and SMS marketing to a powerful CRM all under one roof. Now let's talk about ClickFunnels. This tool is famous for its simplicity and ease of use, especially for building sales funnels and landing pages. It's ideal for those who want to create high converting funnels without much of a learning curve. Plus, ClickFunnels offers a large number of pre-designed templates that can help you get started quickly. When it comes to features, GoHighLevel has a broader range including CRM capabilities, appointment booking, and integrated email SMS automation. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is streamlined and focuses primarily on funnel building with powerful upsell and order form features. So, if you need more than just funnel building, say client management and advanced marketing automation, GoHighLevel is your pick. Pricing is another factor to consider. GoHighLevel offers a more comprehensive plan for around $97 per month, which can be great value if you are looking for an all-in-one solution. ClickFunnels, however, starts at $97 per month for its basic plan, but costs can increase as you add more features or higher tier plans. So, which tool is better? If you are an agency or need a powerful all-in-one marketing solution, GoHighLevel may be the way to go. But if you're focused solely on building high converting sales funnels with less complexity, ClickFunnels is a fantastic choice. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.